Guys, just a quick video today because I wanted to share a tip that I've uncovered for my XTS S10 body shell and actually the fenders. You guys will probably have noticed that the fenders after a while start becoming really loose because they're just stuck on with that tape that they provide. You can see like this one here as well, and even the rear one is like starting to come loose. So eventually I know they're going to come off probably in about another one or two runs. So I had this E6000 all-weather adhesive that I actually bought for lining a body of mine. And what happened was, after I did my body, I still had some of that E6000 left, and this fender had come off. So I thought, let me just test it with the E6000 to see how securely that gets stuck on, compared to these ones, which are not great in my opinion. And I left it overnight, and you know what? It's actually done an amazing job. Like, it's solid on there. It's really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ones off, or I might just wait for them to fall off, and do the same E6000 trick on these. But this feels really, really good. It feels solid. I don't feel that that's coming off very quickly. And this all-weather adhesive is waterproof as well. So it looks really good. It's the first time I've used this, but if you're thinking of putting your fenders on for the first time, I would say just skip that tape that they give you and buy some of this stuff and put these fenders on, because it does a much better job. So yeah, let me know how it goes if you do try it out, but I'll be doing all four of these so they're stuck on nice and solid. Guys, hope that was helpful. Please do sub to the channel if you want to see more tips and tricks like this. As I find them, I will share them with you as well.